Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So first of all, thank you for watching this video again. So today this video here, I'd like to share you one counters only. This is me Technovation. And the reason why I share this is because I think at the moment they will going to close with another NS signals. Okay, so of course the time that I'm doing this video here is 22nd July around 4:30. Okay, so looks like we're going to have a very solid closing. Okay, so for those that who are new to VSA and TradeVSA, if you like what we do over here, please remember to click the like buttons and help me to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so for those that who don't know, NS or no supply. Okay, actually it represents no sellers, and no seller representing there is an immediate support at a certain level. Okay, so if you look into MeTech, the reason why I would like to call this is because it actually, as you can see at the bottoms there, they're actually forming three NS signals. Okay, and remember each of these signals have to come with the right place. Okay, so some of you probably ask me why this NS doesn't really goes up, because this NS is in downtrend. Okay, but this NS, if you notice, is different. Okay, this 3NS is happening at or in the green pentagons, and mostly they are trading above the 2040s. Okay, so there's a difference. So again, we just do a very quick background check. Probably I like to use the weekly, okay, to help us to check the overall direction of the counters over here. Okay, so we got a uptrend previously, and some sort of like a weakening of the trend, but it doesn't really sell off further if you pay attention to the volumes there. So it seems like on weekly basis they try to cross back to the previous NS chart, okay, so or the NS level. Okay, so hopefully it will form a shakeout in a weekly basis. So from there, actually we want to aim for longer terms. Okay, so now let's look back into daily. Seems like they just started to cross, okay, on the daily 2040. So I think that for those that who interested, you actually can aim for a quick white ball trades. Okay, so if you look into the weekly earlier on, so this is the line we draw. So exactly, okay, at this saddle bar over here, okay, with high volume. So this is the immediate resistance you want to look into. Is there any weakness sign, like for example uptrust bar, okay, for you to prepare to take some profit, okay, if any. Okay, now let's look into the NS over here. Very exciting, okay, or maybe some of the good info that we can get from here. Okay, so of course now trending 2040s, below 2040s, and the thing I kind of like it is when they cross 2040, you can see the volume start to building up. Okay, they start to show increase in terms of the volume. So NS is always good to have in this area to ensure there's a confirmation there's no sellers after they cross certain level. Okay, so in this case they cross the 2040s with no further sellers in the background. Okay, so we got one high volumes over here, okay, increasing volumes, okay, and subsequently 3 bar low volume, and today again it formed another confirmation on NS just at the 20 MA. Okay, so now let's look into hourly chart. Seems like the daily chart support is pretty strong. Okay, I'd like to check on the hourly charts. Hourly charts too, it just turns to green pentagon again this morning. Okay, so seems like they do a quick this shakeout over here. Okay, here's another shakeout, a big shakeout before they retest again. So again, depending, are you looking into short, mid, or long term? Okay, so let's say you are short terms, probably you want to focus more on the daily, on the hourly chart. So in my case there, I will focus back into my daily. Okay, so because I think that given sometimes it might have a chance to retest on the gap areas. Okay, so potentially there's a white ball trades over there. Okay, or maybe there's a chance for them to push above the gaps. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, against the setup, everything seems pretty good. Okay, towards the resistance area, okay, there's still around like 11-10%. Okay, towards the gaps area there. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this video. So once again, if you liked the video that we share over here, please remember to click the like buttons and help me to subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.